Hello friends, welcome to Pandesar Concept Classes. Today we are going to learn uh, Innovation Technology, subject name and topic is the management of technology. So what is the technology management? Technology management make by two things, technology and management. First we'll learn what is the management. Management is concerned about the development, planning, implementation and assessment of technological capabilities and shape up to our nation and priority of a nation to achieve the goals. What is the no technology management can be defined as the integrated planning. You can see here technology definition of the technology management can be defined as also be defined as the integrated planning, design, optimization, operations, and control of the technological produces, process, and services. A better definition would be the management of the use technology for the human advantage. You can say technology management is the set of management discipline to create technological fundamental functions. So here what is technology management? Technology management is the association of the technology and management, right? Where technology work for the management, right? So here can you read the technology management program? Here you can read that the technology management program typically include the instruction in the production and operation management, project management, computer application and the quality control, safety health issues, and general management principles, right? So here you can learn the new words, quality control and the safety. Everybody know what is the quality of the product. We can definitely work for the quality of the product and operation management, right? So the typical concept of the technology management are strategy, technology forecasting, and technology road mapping. What is the road mapping? The new word come from the mapping. Mapping is like as is and to be. जैसा है और उसको कैसा होना चाहिए, right? That is called the mapping. Today we are using Excel. After some time, definitely we can purchase any ERP or any new technology. These are the technology roadmap. Okay. So what is the technology management? Here technology management is the mainly carried out the two things, national level and enterprise level. Okay. So if you think about the national level, the main objective is assured that the nation and its business form again sustainable technological competitiveness. So here we can एक नया word है change management. Change management basically used in the software firms where many times where in advance they are using that new technology. Like suppose they are using Java, so next generation they are using the advanced Java, right? So these are the, you can say amendment, you can say learning new things. That is called the national level requirement for their business, for their companies. In the international business long run basis, right? So what is the technology at the national level? Here we can learn about the national level. The domain of the technology management include the following area. So domain for the national level. So here number one is the developing appropriate technology strategy for the nation, right? Technology forecasting, what will be happen for the next 5 year. आज हम अगर पेंटियम यूज कर रहे हैं प्रोसेसर में, तो i3 i5 भी कभी हम यूज करेंगे. इसके लिए हम टेक्नोलॉजी की फोरकास्टिंग करते हैं. थर्ड थिंग इज द जस्टिफिकेशन appropriateness ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. जस्टिफिकेशन मीन्स एडॉप्शन. देखिए जब भी आप कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो आपको अपने एम्प्लॉय को ट्रेन भी करना होता है. तो दैट अंडर द कम अंडर द जस्टिफिकेशन एंड adoption of the technology. Sustain technology, development of the renewable energy technologies. Everybody know about the renewable energy. Sustainable economic growth, जो कि आपके इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को बनाए रखे. And definitely think about the optimization. You can say cost cutting, right? So here, technology, knowledge management, the creation, deployment, production of the national technology knowledge management. Everybody know about the KPS, okay? Knowledge processing outsourcing. Managing external technology acquisition with guidelines for the foreign technology collaboration. Managing absorption, managing technology diffusions, okay? So technology MOT at enterprise level. Now we discuss about the enterprise level. First we think about the what is enterprise. You can say enterprise is the company or any organization or any firm. Here the main objective of the firm gains and maintain the strong position in the core technology. Like once upon a time, Satyam is known for the ERP experts. Now Satyam is acquired by the Mahindra. Now it's known as that company of Mahindra is a Tech Mahindra IT company. So IT company always think about the core technology and the relevant product market relationship and that these technologies support the firm competitive advantage. Okay. So by this diagram, maybe we learn something. So what, purpose and how. Technology strategy, purpose is the value driven and value driven come from the technology strategy, technology choices, technology and organization and management. Okay. What हमें क्या चाहिए टेक्नोलॉजी स्ट्रेटजी चाहिए कैसे चाहिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू चाहिए सो व्हाट इज द पर्पस वैल्यू ड्रिवन हियर वैल्यू ड्रिवन मीन्स आप जो सॉफ्टवेयर या आप जो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज कर रहे हैं उसका उसके अंदर उसकी वैल्यूज क्या है या उसका फ्यूचर है उसका फोरकास्टिंग क्या है सो इसके बेसिस पे हम टेक्नोलॉजी की चॉइस करते हैं राइट सो इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द MOT आप देख सकते हैं इन 1950 रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट मैनेजमेंट व्हाट इज द R&D रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन 1970 मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इनोवेशन here the word comes the innovation learn to make the new things that is called innovation 80s में क्या हो गया टेक्नोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेटजी आई है और 90s 90 में क्या हो गया वैल्यू बेस्ड मैनेजमेंट आया सो इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है टेक्नोलॉजी स्ट्रेटजी एंड द वैल्यू बेस्ड मैनेजमेंट में टेक्नोलॉजी स्ट्रेटजी मीन्स लेटेस्ट और क्या हो सकता है फिर उसके अंदर हमने क्या क्रिएट किया है मैनेजमेंट वैल्यू को एम्बेडेड किया है ओके तो ये जब ये मैनेजमेंट पार्ट जब टेक्नोलॉजी में ऐड हो जाता है तो इसका जो पूरा जो पर्पस होता है वो बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से होने लगता है ठीक है और आप डायग्राम में देखिएगा एरा ऑफ द plentiful resources like new venture division innovation management allocation of the project ठीक है अब पढ़ते हैं एंटरप्राइज लेवल पे MOT इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग एरिया डेवलपिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी स्ट्रेटजी लीडर वर्सेस फॉलोअर स्ट्रेटजी ओके सो हु इज द लीडर एंड हु इज द फॉलोअर ओके like in India we are always using support we are always provide the service for the software we are not a developing software country but if you think about the America they develop many kind of software like the Windows is the operating system many application softwares but nowadays India think about the development so कुछ दिन पहले हम सब फॉलोअर थे नो वी आर बी द लीडर एंड वन अपॉन अ टाइम सो टेक्नोलॉजी फोरकास्टिंग मैनेजिंग एंटरप्राइज टेक्नोलॉजी पोर्टफोलियो टेक्नोवेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेशन करेक्ट नॉलेज मैनेजमेंट अगेन सेम थिंग बोला बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक वर्ड यूज हुआ है वर्कफोर्स ओके वर्कफोर्स इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी इंक्लूड द many things like the existing structure system and the workforce जैसे देखिए हमें कुछ नई चीजें इंप्लीमेंट करनी होती हैं तो हमें एक नई टीम बनानी पड़ती है प्लस जो एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम है उसमें उसको अपलोड करना पड़ता है ठीक है उसमें चेंज करना पड़ता है तो देखिए इसमें कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर इंक्लूडिंग प्रॉब्लम मैनेजमेंट स्टडी जो अभी जो प्रॉब्लम है अभी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उसके लिए आप नया चीज और क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें नया चीज आप और क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं मैनेजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज इंक्लूडिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल सेम R&D रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ओके जैसे और आगे पढ़ते हैं कीज ऑफ द MOT द की टास्क